Hello friends, welcome to the world of digital with MX. MX, connecting to the future. MX provides solutions to all the problems related to electronic and electrical systems installed. With beautiful decor of the house, with best home theater and DVD. But look at this mess, the wires and the cords. We need managerial power. Cable management. MX. MX plays very important role to clear the mesh of the cables. The installation is very easy. No need of any technical person. Even a student or a housewife like me can easily handle and install. Step 1. Insert the stud of the console into the wire stripper. Step 2. Insert the wires to be stripped in the console. Step 3. Twist the lever to pack the wires. Step 4. Pull the console. Step 5. Twist the lever and remove the console. Wire neatly gets stripped. Did you realize? It hardly takes a minute. Isn't it easy? Wires can be easily removed. You can cut into any size and use it anywhere. Strong and flexible. Unbreakable. No electric shocks. For mother, child's protection is very important. But now, I am relaxed because MX will protect my child from all electric shocks. Protects from rat's bite. MX wire mesh can protect my family. So now, no dust, no insects, no cobwebs, no rats and no disease. Even my husband uses it.
I spent lakhs of rupees to make my office look beautiful. But the decor was hampered by wires all around. It just distracted the beauty of my office. But then, MX came with innovative product of Cable Organiser. MX robot cable mesh. Step 1. Join together each piece of MX robot cable mesh. Step 2. Press the cable into the groove. You can adjust the robot cable mesh as per the length of the cable. It is available in different colors and sizes to suit your office decor. Robot cable mesh T adapter. Cable wind. Step 1. Place the cable across the two openings. Step 2. Turn the two halves in opposite direction. You can adjust length of a cable as much as you want. Easy way. Flexible way to organize cables in any setting, along with wall, on floor, or desktop. Table cable organizer. Join together each piece of cable organizer. Protects interface between different cables like power cables, data cables, and audio-video cables. You can fix it along the side of the cable. It comes in different sizes. For 4 cables, for 6 cables, and for 8 cables. MX Snake Cable Organizer. Step 1. Join together each piece of MX Snake Cable Organizer. Step 2. Press the cable into the groove. Protects interface between different cables like power cables, data cables, and audio-video cables. MX Easy Clips. Available in different colors. Magic ties. Available in 5 different colors and 3 different sizes. It's simple to use and handle. MX has become part of our life. It has become necessity.
Just as home, offices,
Even in an industry.
MX is insurance for all our precious cables and expensive wires.
MX.
This is just the beginning. MX is coming with more innovative and unique designs. So wait and keep checking the updates. Log on to www.mdrelectronics.com.